Prime Minister Modi today flew to Odisha in Bengal to take stock of the damage caused by Cyclone Yas. In Odisha, Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik told the Prime Minister since the country was battling the pandemic, Odisha did not need immediate central assistance and would make do with own resources. In Bengal, there were fireworks. The BJP says Mamta kept Prime Minister waiting for over 30 minutes and neither did she attend the cyclone damage assessment meeting nor did she let the Bengal officials make a presentation. TMC says Mamta was miffed because of Shivendu Adhikari, BJP MLA who was a part of the official government meeting. Our Bengal Bureau with this report.
The elections are over. The results are out. But the Mamta-Modi war continues. On Friday, Prime Minister Modi and Mamta Banerjee came face to face for the first time after the acrimonious Bengal Assembly elections. And the bitter relations between the centre and Bengal was more than evident. After landing at the Kalaikunda Air Force Base in the afternoon, Modi chaired a key meet to assess the damage caused by Cyclone Yas. BJP sources claim Didi stormed into the meeting and handed over a damage assessment report to the Prime Minister after making him wait for 30 minutes.
Prime Minister একটা মিটিং ডেকেছিলেন কিন্তু আমরা তো জানতাম না আমাদের দীঘায় প্রোগ্রাম ছিল সুতরাং তবুও আমরা সেখান থেকে আবার কলাইকুণ্ডায় গিয়েছিলাম এবং কলাইকুণ্ডায় গিয়ে প্রধানমন্ত্রীর হাতে আমাদের যা ক্ষয়ক্ষতি হয়েছে তার একটা রিপোর্ট আমার সাথে চিফ সেক্রেটারি আলাপন বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় ছিল আমরা হাতে তুলে দিয়ে বলেছি এইটা হচ্ছে আমাদের রিপোর্ট এবং আপনি যা ভালো বুঝবেন তাই করবেন
But the Chief Minister's office claims that the PMO asked Mamta to delay her arrival as Modi was 20 minutes behind the schedule. The BJP slammed Mamta, saying her decision not to attend the review meeting was against the spirit of cooperative federalism.
আমরা জানতে পারলাম মুখ্যমন্ত্রী কলাইকুণ্ডার প্রধানমন্ত্রী মিটিংয়ে যাচ্ছেন না জানি না কেন উনি ডিসিশন নিয়েছেন উনি যতদূর জানিয়েছেন যে বিরোধী দলের নেতা মাননীয় শুভেন্দু অধিকারী উপস্থিত থাকবেন তাই তিনি যাবেন না এখন সাধারণ মানুষের জীবনের মধ্যে যে সংকট এসেছে তার চেয়ে তার কাছে রাজনীতি বড় এটা ওনার পুরনো অভ্যাস
Reports suggest that Didi was angry that her arch rival Shivendu Adhikari too was invited for the review meeting. The centre says it had invited all opposition leaders to the Prime Minister's meeting. Home Minister Amit Shah joined the Bengal governor and others in lashing out at the CM, saying she was putting her ego above the state's interests.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's review meeting over the impact of Yas in West Bengal was not attended by the state's Chief Minister, Mamta Banerjee. However, she made it clear that she had taken a prior time where she went and met the Prime Minister before the review meeting. The time of this meeting was still not known. With camera person Prabir Biswas, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today.